Good morning again, and I'm really glad to be sharing with you the last of my own way of facing my fears, if you want, or working with my fears, which is always difficult for people, and everybody has them. So I'm not different, I'm like you, and I am on this journey, I am work in progress. So I share with you the three of my first one, which is changing my own question when I am catching myself in this state of fear, going to meditation, and the third one was facing my fears and replacing this with my lovely little teddy bear. You can make yours whatever color you want, but as long as it's something you can face, that's great, and you can face this. The last thing I'm doing is far more longer term, and it is really to reinforce to yourself what a wonderful person you are. And you cannot be fearful and grateful and confident and charismatic and loving at the same time. This notion of fear in the middle of all these other aspects that are very positive cannot really have its life. So when you are having all the other aspects, fear cannot really have a big life. It will be here, it's nurtured, it's part of you, but it will not be able to expand. And that's what we want to do. So what I'm doing is I have my set of affirmations that I'm saying over and over and over. Okay, sometimes I'm good at it, sometimes I'm not good at it, like everybody. But when I'm doing them over and over and over and over, it starts replacing the things I'm fearful about by other attributes and brings the certainty that I can handle any situation and I can move stuff forward. And that's what I'm doing. There are plenty of affirmation around. If you want, I can share some with you, and I would be gladly be doing this for you if you want to. So whenever you have fears, whenever you feel the fear, try one of these techniques. Do this on a regular basis. The more you do them, the more you get expert at this, the less the fear can live. And the less scary the movie that it develops can be, and the more you will be in your power to go and take the next step towards the dream of your life. Just know, my friend, that I'm here for you, and I'm really caring for you, and I'm sharing from my heart what I know and what works for me. So I don't know what I'm going to talk next time, but I will find a nice topic to share with you. Until now, have a great, great day and enjoy life. Bye-bye.